Welcome to the Malik channel. Please do like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Thanking you. Accounting coaching with Quickbooks. Accounting software. Today we will show you how to create chart of accounting in Quickbooks accounting software. Thanking you. Well, as yesterday's video, we have shown you how to create a company Quickbooks software and all the details of just introduction of the QuickBooks interface, how it was looking. So now today we are going to show you how to create a chart of account here in the QuickBooks. Well, if you see by the mouse pointer, the chart of account is here, or you can go from here, company, here, make chart of accounts, or in the list here, chart of accounts in the taskbar, control plus A, or simply you can go to here, click chart of accounts. It is already there in our QuickBooks. We make all everything very easy for us to just to start the work. If you see here, this company, ABC company, has taken for the constructions works. Mostly nowadays in constructions and everywhere we are facing a very problems for in accounting. So this QuickBooks software make us very easy how to handle the accounts of the transactions under in progress, under in work, under in completion, or under what it may be. So if you see here all the details, construction in progress in the type of other current assets, retained receivables also, accumulated depreciations, furniture and fixed assets, payroll, opening balance equity, owner's data, maintenance expenses, and all the things is there. Chart of account in the QuickBooks. For example, if you want to create your own chart of account by yourself, you can also create. How I will show you. It's very easy and very simple way to handle. In the companies, first they will prefer the cash and the bank transactions in the account. So now I will show you how to create one by one. So let's start new. From here you just click right mouse and take a new here. And now if you want to make a petty cash, a cash which is cash flow for the general users in the company and the bank. This is the two very important things. First of all, we need to create. You see here, petty cash, checking, savings, money market. These four categories will become under cash and bank things. So petty cash is also first very important. Checking also important. Savings also important. Money. So we'll go one by one. First we will create petty cash. So now here we'll go to continue. You see my mouse is here and now I'm clicking here continue. You see here account type under bank. Cash and bank is the same thing. So we will just create under bank account name, cash, petty cash, under which name. For example, if you have personal name which is handling the petty cash, it is called ABC name. What it, we just take it under just like it. Under sub account of, if you create a sub account, first you have to create add new account name here. This is main thing. Main account is petty cash. Sub account of, here no need. Here just we're taking hit, so here no need. Just save and close. So here you see automatically it will be coming petty cash and sub account of petty cash. So here description you can give any person name, Mr. ABC, and what is the designation is under sales, marketing, or whatever. If you have the bank account number of that person, you can include routine number create. So just save and close. Here, one account has been created under ABC person name. So save or save and new. It better save and new because we are creating another person name. So what we are going to save and new. Here ABC 30 cash. Yeah. Sub account of 30 cash. We have created two new. So you have to enter all the details here and save and close. If you see the beginning chart of accounts, petty cash. In the first review, cash, petty cash. A, B, C, D, E, F. Under main account of petty cash. This is the two sub accounts, right? This is cash. And now if you want to go to create a bank account in the same method, can make a account. You can make account new better for you. Your bank, your checking. Checking means you have completed petty cash. Now checking. Continue account name, bank, SBI, SBI, account number, checking account. So here we will create a sub account bank. Setup. Setup bank. Saving close under bank. So here we will make another new account. SBI now HDFC main branch account under bank. Here in the bank. So we'll go and close and you'll see here. So now this is only today we have make mainly under the chart of account cash and bank ledgers which we have created. Later on we will go in under construction progress and this all detail. Entering the data. We have just created a bank account and petty cash. Now we are going to show you a company paying a certain amount as a petty cash to ABC person. So in that case, what we will do is very simple and easy method is write checks. If you see my mouse here, write checks. Or we can make journal entries. Journal entries is only for the high level things, high transactions, which is very important things. With the small things like designing is very easy in the QuickBooks, which is here, write checks. So bank account, from which bank the paid HDFC or what was HDFC, we take that with HDFC. How much we paid? 10,000 to whom? Mr. ABC. Mr. ABC. Here. Now you can write here if he is employee, we can create one employee name ABC. Create setup, employee, okay. In future, in future, you will get this employee name, how much is the transaction between in him as well as in the accounts here in the bank. So here we will make a note click for purchase of general items for work in progress of building number, so on. So what it mean? Like for example, if there is one construction is going on, there is something a small things which you need to purchase, right? So in that case, what we will do here, we will make a note. And here the QuickBooks is very good advantages in good plus point is customer job. This is very nice because in the last how much the profit and loss for this customer will show you exactly the statement of the customer. So customer, we will just create a new customer here. We will see XYZ constructions. Okay, you can write all the details as per requirement, name, phone number, email, etc. etc. So we'll just make it simple understanding to you. Is it billable? So this is not necessary. Okay, now we will go to save for this. It has been saved under 10,000 Mr. ABC Petty Cash. And now, if we go here in our Windows box, you can see here HDFC minus 10,000, right? You see his statement of account, it will show here. Bank HDFC main branch, check, petty cash 10,000. Petty cash under ABC, you have to click, you have to click here and make in your keyboard Control Q is very simple. Here see petty cash ABC has account balance still 10,000, right? Now just make escape. And now we are going to expenses of petty cash of the person Mr. ABC. He brings some invoices and submit to accounts department. So in that case, what we have to do is creating the bills here. Here, you see the vendors bills. Just click here, vendor, what it may be. Let's now XYZ vendor. You that here the first number is the invoice number. What it may be. So, for example, amount is 6,000 rupees he purchased under what or other construction cost or subcontract, what it may be. For example, we'll take auto and truck expenses. Auto and truck expenses. Customer job of XYZ. Here, this is very, very important customer job to be mentioned because in the final, he will show you how much profit and loss under this customer job. This is very, very, very important thing not to miss. Otherwise, you will not get any report of this XYZ construction, how much you have made. This later I will show you how to make. Now, this very simple bill which you have get from the vendor and you have just to save. That's it. Finish. Now, that's it. Now, you just created a bill, not a pay bill. You have to create a to pay by whom? Pay bill. Here you see 6,000 check under XYZ vendor. Here count account under cash ABC. You see here. Now this all automatically Quickbooks has been taken. Just you have to take account here. Select home page. For example, paid by bank, paid by cash. Suppose it is by cash. Just we have to create a bill under petty cash ABC person. Here, please selected bills. Now finish. That's it. Done. Now we want to go to see the account of Mr. ABC person, how much is he spent and how much he have balance. We can see here. From the bank, we paid HDFC main account 10,000. Bill payment check 6,000. Now balance, Mr. ABC have 4,000 rupees cash in hand. That's it. Very, very, very simple thing. This is just for cash I am showing to you. Again, I will show you in the Windows box, cash, petty cash, make click on the cash, petty cash and control plus Q. Control plus Q. Here, this is the thing. Now, the filing for these things. Filing is very, very important on the same time for these transactions, which please note. Do not forget to file anything without having any proof. And that should be very important for auditing trials. Otherwise, auditor will reject all your things and this is the reports is not a perfect report. Fine. For this, how to create a filing, I will show. Here, customize report. Here, transaction number you have to make. Here, this is the transaction number of all the transactions you have done. This is the transaction number one and number two, I think, for the bank and bill payment is third. So, first transaction will be check and second transaction will be third bill payment check. So, bill also include there in number two. So, I will show you that the transaction here. Go back, report, account and fractions, journal. Here you see all one, two, three. And today we have just created how many journals? Three journals. First to be paid by bank. This is the transaction number one. That transfer copy should be kept in your file. This is transaction number one. Second transaction bill, which is getting from XYZ vendor, that should be kept in with you in your box file. Third, bill payment check. This paid by US XYZ petty cash vendor. So, so and so, you get many transactions for the filing system. This is very important filing system. Without filing system and without evidence, no auditors will accept this your report. So even there's in QuickBooks, there is another option, attach file. Attach file from the scanner. If you have scanner here, click the scanner and make here actual scanner right now. So you will get the scan automatically here all the document. And you just save. I'm just saving any one thing from here. You see, this is the file. It has been come to you. Just to go and click close. You see those files attached here. So for this transaction which you have clicked on the bank, that bank any evidence you have to attach here for our reference, for auditor reference. This is very important. Well, today we have just shown you how to make a cash and bank with the expenses. Later on, we will go through how to create a bank statements for another reports and another things like work in progress, constructions, and another reports. So guys, thanking you very much for your attention. And this is our ABC company, which you remember we create, and this is our interface, which we have. We started like this, only three transactions here, by chart of accounts here. We create here chart of account, petty cash. Now, tomorrow we will go construction in progress. What is this construction in progress and what will be used in under other current assets? Well, we will go one by one all and share my channel to your friends and like. Thanking you and have a wonderful day ahead for you. If you have any doubts or comments or anything, please do not hesitate to make me on comment box. So this is just an introduction of a very small things. Later on, we will go very bigish, big transactions like items and services, customers, vendors, and employees. Well, this is the very big things we have to make for the constructions. So this is the small thing which we are explaining one by one in videos. So tomorrow we will work on construction in progress. So thanking you dear. Do not forget to subscribe to have a motivate to me to explain you very easily and comfortably to you. And if you have any doubts on, even if you are a master in your QuickBooks, please do not hesitate to comment me. If you have any questions and remarks, you can ask me. I will hear you on your reply. Thanking you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.